What's up, KTD Food Reviews? We are back in the Kingston collection. We went to Mochinut, and we got corn dogs. Yeah. Oh yeah, you know Devin. I'm Bill Whyte. You know Devin Pinckney. Yeah. We're at the mall. So they got Mochinut. They got like, it's a Korean, right? Korean donuts and Korean corn dogs and things of that nature.
It says rice. Is it rice batter or something?
I guess. I don't really know.
Rice
flour. Hey.
Yeah.
So yeah, so let's see. So we got corn dogs here, and well, I haven't seen mine yet. We'll unveil them right in front of you. Holy crap! This.
You got the potato dog.
It's bigger than I thought. I got half mozzarella, I think it was, or something. I don't really understand it. I don't really understand what I was getting.
I got half and half too. I don't know what that entails.
And you got the potato on yours? I should have. I didn't even. I wasn't thinking. So we'll try this first. This is crazy. This is big. This is Mochinut, the Kingston collection.
This feels like 3 pounds or something.
I think it's heavy.
My fingers are stressed.
Yeah. Bigger than your average corn dog, that's for sure.
The first bite was definitely the cheese.
I got string of mozzarella on it. That's a real deal.
Is there a dog in there or just eat all cheese?
Is it like half? So is it like the corn dog's only half? I think I saw it when they cut them in half. Well, that's what it means. The corn dog is only like up to here. And the hot dog itself is only like half. That's what it means. So top's just all cheese. All cheese. Excuse me. All cheese. Oh my throat.
It's a lot of cheese, not gonna lie, but
it's good.
That's like,
I'm down with it.
The intent. There's a dog at the end of it.
What is it?
It's frowning.
You gotta feed the audio video specialist, you know? The chief audio video engineer. Take a bite right off my corn dog.
Need more opinions too.
Yeah, true. What do you think? Thumbs up? Thumbs up.
Oh, I really like it.
Yeah, I think. I
wish I got the whole dog.
Yeah.
So I think it's just a lot of cheese for me.
We got Mallrats. But this is bomb. I haven't even got to the hot dog yet. I can't eat it like that.
No, I did the corn on the convoy just to get there.
I'm very happy with this. I give this a. This is. I mean, I set the bar high. I gave it A minus earlier, so this is well above that. I would give it a number score just to be different than the other one. This is a 9.5. This is the real deal. This is bomb. I highly suggest this. The Kingston collection. I highly suggest it.
Definitely a fan.
How's your potato thing?
It tastes like home fries on a corn. Like, I don't even know how they did that. So I'm gonna get another one.
There you go. Get out. It sounds crispy.
Nice fried crunch to it.
I like those kind of hash browns too. They're like T-bones and
the breakfast potatoes.
Yeah. So put it to the side for now. They also have donuts here, so we got these rice donuts. This one's strawberry, and Devin got mocha. We want to split these? Try them both?
Sure.
Maybe. There you go. There, let's put it right there. Just put it right on the table. Yeah, who cares?
Just half of it.
Oh, thanks.
Chocolate piece.
Do you want this? Want half of that too? Yeah. Let's see. It still feels soft. I get down with this. I get. This is good. It's like kind of crunchy on the outside, like crispy. The inside's nice and fluffy.
Very
Real
chewy
soft.
on the inside.
Chewy, fluffy. It's really nice. This is really. I'm a fan. I'll be back.
I'm intrigued with the donut.
Good strawberry taste too on strawberry.
The hot dog or corn dog, whatever. That's what I'll go back for. Let's do it.
Let's try the mocha. Just the type of donut itself is good. It's different. Want to try this one? I highly suggest the
Good.
donuts. Yeah.
I like the strawberry better.
I like strawberry better. So yeah, this is Mochinut, 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 more than just a hot dog. It's corn dog.
Good stuff.
Jeez. Look at this thing.
It's half a mozzarella stick.
Yeah, it is really half and half. It's like heavy as hell. This thing. But I give Mochinut overall a great grade. Donuts are good, corn dogs are good. Highly recommend this.
Happy customer. And it
Very
was
happy
like
customer.
reasonably priced too.
It was. Yeah. I'll tell you what I paid right now, just so you know. The single Mochinut was $3.50 for the donut. And then the half mozzarella hot dog was $7.
You can fill up off this whole thing.
So it's like a pound and a half. Actually, I don't know how many it is, but yeah, you give it a grade anything? We grade everything about that. High grades.
Give it a 9.1.
There you go. 9.1. Alright. You good? Good.
I like the potatoes on that too.
Yeah, I need to try that next time. But I'm happy with this one too. I'm happy with all of it. So yeah, so this is Mochinut Kingston Collection, new place at the food court. Excuse me. Highly suggested. And yeah.
Seal of approval.
Yeah.
KTD seal.
Absolutely, KTD seal approval. Flying colors. Yeah, so let's tune in. I'm Bill Whyte. This is Devin Pinckney. See you next time.